If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Klarna account, follow these steps to regain access and ensure your account's security. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device or visit the Klarna website on your browser. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Log into your Klarna account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the account settings, find the section for security or two-factor authentication. Click on this option to access your current authentication settings. Step 4. Choose Reset option. Look for the option to reset or manage two-factor authentication. This may include options like sending a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Follow verification steps. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once verified, you can set up new two-factor authentication methods as needed. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Klarna. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for further assistance.